Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how I mix and master my beats for posting online. Let's get into the video. The first thing I like to do is route every channel to the mixer track. So let's do that first. Start with this.
One eternity later.
So now I've routed all the instrumentals to the mixer. Let's start with the drums now.
A few moments later.
I like mixing the instrumentals first and then balancing the instrumental before I now move to the drums. So let's mute all the drums for now. Before even adding any plugin, try to make sure that the volumes are balanced. So let's balance the volume first. So we've balanced the instrumentals. Let's now make everything sound nice. I'm going to remove all those low frequencies from there. That citrus, I feel the release is too much. So I want to take part of the release away. And I can use Smack Attack for that. So let's use that Smack Attack. Yeah. And let's take down a bit of the sustain. Yeah, that's perfect. You can hear that lead. I want that lead to be aggressive. I want it to have one bite. I want it to have to be crazy. So let's saturate it a bit. Let's use Fruity Fast Distortion. Where is it here? Let's use this. Let's now EQ it. Let's add fresh air too. I think fresh air will give it that. And let's add a delay, just a little bit. Filthy delay. Okay. Please. So the next instrument is this. Now from that sound, I just like only the lower parts. So I want to take away all the high parts. This is the next sound. Let's saturate it a bit. For that, let's use G-Sat. Let's also take part of those high frequencies away. Now let's go to this part of the instruments. You can pan this a little bit to the left and the other one a little bit to the right. So now let's listen to what we've done so far with the instrumental. So now the instruments are already set. So let's go to the the drums and the bass and all. Let's start with the shaker. I'm going to take away the loads of the shaker. Now I'm trying to balance the volume of the beats so that everything will be audible and hit well. Let me EQ the kick. You see this clicking sound in the kick, I like it. So I want to increase it just a bit. The aim of these drums, I want everything to hit, everything must knock well. Let's distort that a bit. I really like distortion on drum because it gives it one knob and then you can now EQ. When you're putting the lows of the apart from the kick, the percussions and the snare and all, try to make sure you don't cut too much so that you don't change the sound or the tone of the drum. All these other things you can pan them. Pan that to the right a bit. I took these two sounds to the same, to the same mixer track. But I want one to be at the left and the other one should be at the right so that it to be like call and response. See, that is perfect, but it's too loud. Forgot about the sound. Sound is here. I think this part of the instruments. Let's add the leads. It's down. Let's see. Let's put it here. Let's EQ that a bit. This two, I want it to echo. So let's use delay to and it to the left a bit. And lastly, EQ. Let's come back to this beginning. There's some sounds that I added. I would like to EQ. Yeah. That will go. I want it to be a sleep though, so I want to make it bigger. Let me use reverb for that. Let's just I like. Let's go to my favorite part, that's the log drum. I want the log drums to knock harder. Let's use this Footy Wave Shaper. Let's remove part of that nose for the let's go to the bass now. That bass is already okay as it is. Okay, I think it's the same thing with this. Let's saturate it. Now, after this stage, what I like to do is I'll group the instruments together, the bass together, and then the drums together. But let me first sidechain the log drum to the kick. So anytime the log drum comes in, the kick will go down. Let's see it down. Lastly, let's group the instruments together and then group the drums together and just compress. Let's group them here. Right. So this is the instrument track. Let's name it instrument show and make it color blue. I'll first set the limiter on the instrument board so that nothing is, going too high. Lastly, let's compress. Basically, the reason why I added this compressor is to glue everything together. Now let's glue the drums together too. Let's just put them here, duck to right, and name them drums. Let's make it red. And on the drum bus, it's just the same process. I first add limiter to remove all those peaks. We don't want to do too much else the drum will lose the punchiness. After that, let's add smack attack. Let's take the release away a bit. And let's change it to clip me. I don't think I like it. So let's remove it and add something else. So because I want the drums to knock, let's add Cymatics Diablo. can see this one is better. Always make sure you listen to the before and after adding a plugin. And also make sure you reduce the volume, to compensate so that your ears are not full. Let's add little jumps now. Yeah, the log jumps are okay. They're okay like that. And on my master boss, I just had this God particle, the God particle here. Yeah, so that's basically all the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. We're trying to get to 500 followers before the end of this year. See you in the next video.